Good day, my name is Cliff and I'm a software engineer. For a few weeks now I've been exploring Chat-GPT. I've heard a lot about it, I've dabbled in it myself, and today I'm going to demonstrate how Chat-GPT can make a software developer's life easier, not take it away. If you're familiar with system architecture and enterprise architecture, you will know that an integral part of the system is the user. And I believe that software developers will forever have a job. There will always be need for skilled craftsmen. And today will just be a demonstration on how Chat-GPT will just become another tool that will make our lives easier and help us to accomplish our goals faster. So I'm going to start off by showing you what I'm going to ask it. I am a software engineer, I have a full-time job, and I need your help to write an application that embeds Chat-GPT from OpenAI as its main feature. This app should be written in JavaScript and should use React and Ionic as front-end frameworks. Furthermore, it should integrate and persist its data via Firebase. The reason I need your help is because I am doing this part-time. I'm going to take that text and I'm going to paste it in a Chat-GPT instance which I'm working with. You can see it's from OpenAI and it is just a playground. I'm just going to hide that, paste it in, and let's see what we get. So as you can see, it's proceeding to, it's agreed to help me, and it knows exactly what to do. So here are some steps that you can follow. First, you'll need to create a Firebase project and configure it to store data. Right, so it's just explaining what it's going to do. Let's see if it'll write the code for me as well. Oh, it's telling me how to do unit tests. Alright, so as main feature, okay, so now it's said fine, you can add any additional features. Okay, throughout it, okay. So let's start with the implementation. Wait, let's be nice. Thanks, that is very helpful. Oh, it's going about the prerequisites. It's telling me how to start the project, the code project. It's basically telling me how to integrate Ionic. As you can see, it's proceeded to write the application in TypeScript. Alright, yes, it's two paths, app and, well, app. That's the application wrapper. What is this? Let's just have a look at what this is. This is the index file, yes, okay. Now this is the application wrapper, let's see. Okay, now we're running the code there. Okay, we're installing the OpenAI project, creating the file, the component, and it's run out of space. Okay, it seems to have stopped there. It's still wanting to continue. Say, it is actually strange that this application that it's writing. This is the second time I've asked it. Obviously, I've made I did a test on this first before I made this video, and it is actually strange how different this application is to the one that it originally wrote when I did the testing. It's like and I've experienced that as a coder myself, is that sometimes you just write code differently, you do implementations differently that you would some other days. You still follow the general principles of clean code and doing things properly, but you do the implementations sometimes just as you feel, which is can vary from day to day. And I can see that it stopped again, so let's ask it to please continue. It's now integrating with Firebase. It's even designed the data structure for me. Okay, so now it's saying, yep, that's it. We've created the Firebase app as per my requirements, and we've done that, I don't know, just in a ridiculous amount of time. Okay, so it's something that's missing here. I need like user authentication, so I'm going to ask it. This is crazy. It's writing an whole application for me, like right here in front of my eyes. Obviously I need to go fill in the gaps, and you won't be able to know how to do that if you're not a software engineer, and that's where the craftsman will never go obsolete. The craftsman will learn how to use modern tools, whereas just the normal person would just say, well, this thing is going to put me out of a job, and it's most likely that person will be out of a job. But the skilled craftsman will see this as a tool to make his own job faster, to make him like more effective, and just better in whatever way this can do. And this is exactly what it is. It's just a tool. It's like up until this point, Google was the thing that we go to. Before that, an engineer. Okay, let's just stop there. Update the Chat-GPT TPS disk. Okay. Just like it hits a limit. But anyway, skilled craftsman will never go obsolete. You will need to know how this stuff works so you can put it together and maintain it, obviously. Excuse me. But yes, here is the application right here, and I can probably come back and ask it more questions if something is missing. But this is just brilliant, and this is going to make my life so much easier. I want to say thank you to OpenAI for developing this tool. It is really going to make my life a lot easier, and this is also one of the reasons I became a software engineer, because I believe that through this technology vocation that people can make a difference globally to everyone. And as you can see, that is exactly what OpenAI has done. And I can't wait for the release of Chat-GPT 4.